Hello everyone, Denise here. Today I'm going to go over some basics when you start crocheting. Just a few stitches that you will need to know. And this is how I do mine. There are probably several different ways to do these different methods, but this is how I do mine. This is a slip knot. I put the yarn on my hand like this, just lay it on my hand, and then I will wrap it around my fingers. And then I will, this is kind of a crisscross you can see on my hand. And then I just grab in through that circle and pull up the loop. It's a very big loop, but that is adjustable. When you put it on your hook, you can sort of cinch it up that way. Okay, that is how I do my slip knot when I begin a chain. Okay, so how I do my magic circle is it starts out the same way. I lay the yarn across my hand, and then I cross it over just like I did before. But then I will take my hook and I will pull up a loop with my crochet hook. And now I'm going to reposition the yarn in my hands because I cannot work with it this way. I am going to pinch the yarn right here so it doesn't go anywhere. Then I'm going to take the working yarn right here and I'm going to put it in my hand like I crochet. However you do your tension in your fingers or however it works for you, you do it your way. This is what I do. And then I take the tail end of the yarn with the circle here and I hold them together as I work. Now that is to ensure that when I get my stitches on this circle that I can cinch it up nice and tight. So a single crochet, I'm going to chain one just to secure my circle. So a single crochet stitch is when you have your hook and then you want to go into your stitch or your space that you're going to be working in, and you yarn over and you pull up the yarn. You pull a loop up on your hook. And then you will yarn over again and pull through both of those loops on your hook. That is a single crochet. I'll do it again. Go into the space or stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two. Single crochet. A half double crochet is when you yarn over, go into the space or stitch, yarn over again, pull up that loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Then you will yarn over and go through all 3 of those loops. That is a half double crochet. Okay, I'll do that again. Yarn over, go into the space or stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. That's a half double crochet. A double crochet is when you yarn over, got a piece of fuzz here. You yarn over, go into the space or stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook now, just like you did with a half double. Except with a double crochet, you will yarn over and only pull through 2, and then again yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so I'll do that again. Some more yarn here. So a double crochet, you will yarn over, go into the space or stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Then you will yarn over and only pull through 2. Then you will yarn over and pull through 2 more. That is a double crochet. A triple or a treble crochet is when you yarn over twice on your hook, go into the space or stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. That's my dishwasher you're hearing, I apologize. Then you will yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. You have 3 loops. You'll pull through 2 more, and then you'll pull through 2 more. Let me do that again. You yarn over twice, then you go into the stitch or space. You will yarn over and pull up a loop. Then you have 4 loops on your hook. Then you will yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops, yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 of those loops. That's a triple or a treble crochet. And as you can see, as you do from single to treble or triple, the stitches get much larger. So as you're working and you want to create something that has dimension or different shape or whatever, you can change your stitches to allow that to happen very easily in crochet. And then, as you can see with my magic circle here, like I was saying before, you can just pull this tail here and cinch that circle shut. And this makes for a nice closure for if you're doing amigurumi or anything like that, that you want a real nice tight circle. You can also easily adjust this. So if I was making, say, a ponytail hat, messy bun hat, I could loosen this up as I'm, maybe I don't want it that tight, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen it up again. You can do that as well. And then once you get it to the size that you want, then you can take this end and weave back the opposite way, and then you can have it secure and it won't loosen or untie. But the best way to get a very nice tight circle is to do this magic circle, magic ring method. And then there's no hole there at all, like you usually see with, say, a chain 4 and then join. So those are just some crochet basics that I wanted to go over with you today. I didn't have any sort of video like this on my channel yet. And so I just wanted to kind of fill in this, this little space or need that someone might have to learn some basic crochet stitches. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.